Is your Mercedes-Benz cup holder feeling a bit unhinged? That annoying wobble, the constant fear of a spilled latte, it's a small detail that can really detract from the premium feel of your car. Well, this tiny, unassuming part, the ReviewW222 water cup holder car center console, beverage cup holder bracket fixing buckle, Model B, might just be the ultimate solution to your beverage woes. Let's be honest, nobody wants to deal with a flimsy cup holder in a luxury vehicle. This bracket is designed as a direct replacement, and that's a huge deal. It means installation is a breeze, truly a direct swap without needing any specialized tools or a trip to the mechanic. The manufacturer, Changsun Department Store, under the ReviewW brand, really focused on making this user-friendly. You simply remove the old, broken piece and pop this new one right in. One of the most impressive aspects is the promise of no cutting or splicing. For anyone who's ever attempted a DIY car repair, you know how crucial that is. It means the connector is precisely engineered to fit your existing setup, ensuring a clean, factory-like finish and avoiding any electrical headaches. This isn't some generic, one-size-fits-all solution. It's built with specific Mercedes-Benz models in mind, which is incredibly reassuring. And speaking of specific models, the compatibility list is quite extensive. We're talking about the W222 from 2014 to 2020, the W212 from 2009 to 2015, the E-Class W213 from 2016 to 2021, and even the Vito V-Class W447 W448 from 2016 to 2021. That covers a lot of ground, and for those who like to be absolutely sure, the reference OE number is 2,226,800,414. Knowing it's built to strict quality control standards for construction and testing also gives you peace of mind that this isn't just a temporary fix, but a durable, long-lasting solution. Imagine this. You're driving, you place your drink in the cup holder, and it just stays there. No jiggling, no tilting, no sudden spills around a corner. It restores that original stability and functionality that your car was designed to have. It's a small detail, but it makes a world of difference in the daily driving experience, bringing back that sense of order and luxury to your center console. So, if you've been tolerating a less-than-perfect cup holder in your compatible Mercedes or Vito, this bracket is an absolute game-changer. It's an easy, effective, and durable fix that truly enhances your car's interior.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.